So I vlog about everything, right guys? Look at this. It's about the 4th day that I come here. They say that they have paper towels and they have tissue paper and things, and that's what Mr. President said we have. Look, as far as your eyes can see, still empty. 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 They say we have. Still can't find. Still empty shelves. Still empty. Look at that, guys. Still empty. There's a roll of paper over there. I feel like I want to go right over there. There's a roll of paper right over there. I feel like I should go have it. But then that'll be bad, right, guys? Look, still empty. Still empty. 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 Everything empty. Still empty. But they say they have. As far as your eyes can see, still empty. I mean, I vlog and I just want to bring that, guys, to show you guys. It's unbelievable that up until now they're still saying that they have, but when you come to the stores to try to find, it's nowhere to be found. So here we are once again. I'm into the cleaning aisles right now because I need some stuff to continue cleaning. They say they're supposed to have. Take a look. There you go again. Empty shelves. Empty. This is what we come to. This is what we come to. Hand gloves and everything in the store while you're picking up and looking for regular items just to clean and keep your house empty. Empty. I had to come on out today to get some stuff because I'm literally running a little bit low on some cleaning supplies. Still empty. Can't find exactly what I'm looking for. So I mean, come on, this government needs to do what they need to do and do it quickly. This is crazy. This state of this pandemic that we're in is just not cool, man. Just not cool. So guys, I'll be back. I can't even touch my screen. I'll be back. It is amazing. Look at this place. The place looks like shanty town. Look at him over there with the mask on his face. Look at him going. It is hilarious, guys. This is something. You gotta protect yourself. I swear to God. I mean to say, this is hilarious, to say the least. Yeah, guys, you guys see the mask? You guys see the mask? Listen, everybody's kind of scared because people say they seem like it may be airborne guns. So people not taking no chances. People not taking no chances. Nobody taking a chance. Nobody. Nobody, I'm telling you. Right there. Nobody taking chances. Everybody's just being very, very, very cautious because at the end of the day, people smiling with you, everybody laughing with you, and you don't know who has it. Who's sick, who not sick, who lying, who pretend, who refuse to go get tested. It's ridiculous. It's unimaginable. So I'm looking for chicken, guys. I guess no chicken for our family. No chicken. All the meat is done. All the meat is done as well. Wow. Anyway, guys, let me go on and get on out of here. I will be back. You know, I always take you guys everywhere I go and everything I do. The place looks like scanty town. Everything gone. So I'll be back, guys. Yes, that's where we are. That's where we are. That's where we are. Well, the seafood is still there. Nobody eating seafood around now, huh? Let me see if we have it up on this side. Constant cleaning. Empty shelves. So guys, I'll be back. Okay? Take it easy. Love you guys. You know, I said I'll do my best every time I come out. I think this is what I need to do. I've been thinking about it. Yep. So guys, I'll see you. Take it easy. This is my situation. This is my situation. There is no more paper towels. So it is paper. So I have to just use what I have. Here we go. It's on a roll. I went to the supermarket yesterday. Couldn't get none. So here we are. This is what we have to use now. Paper towel. I'm sorry, toilet paper. I mean, it's the same paper. Just paper towel is made a little thicker. So this is where I'm at. This is where I'm at. This is what the corona has done to, yeah, that's what I got. Look at there. There we go. Pray for me, guys. Pray for Polly. Look at them.